Wheels look good. Disc, excellent. Got a new hub. A little bit better bottom power. Foot pegs titanium, work real well. New gearing, 49 this year, a little bit better bottom. You know, the corner's a little quicker. Of course, the tires, Bridgestones, oversized, a little bit better traction. What else? New linkage. Do you see this linkage? Much better coming into the corners. Stays more flat. No more hop. Last year, a little bit of hop coming into the corners. Not this year. Much more flat coming into the corners. Shock's a little bit shorter. A little bit better control. Acceleration bumps. Excellent. Overall, Suzuki's going to be a good bike this year. Could compete with the Honda.